So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally, the May games, the most awaited games are live now. So as you can see, here is the game. To join, click on start game. And here, make sure you are signed into your Qwiklabs account now. Just copy the access code and paste here. So now, when you will click on join, you will be joined to the May base camp. Now from here, you have to join the level 3. Now click on start. Now again, join the game. So now it's time for level 1. Join it. Similarly for level 2. So basically I am showing you how to join the games, because a lot of you guys were asking how and where to join the games. Also I will try to share the link of these solutions in the description. Do check it out. Now it's time for trivia, and for trivia I have completed the playlist. So first of all, start with trivia, then move to the other level games. So now wait for it. So now enter the code and join in. After that I will show you the channel. So as you can see, finally we are joined. So this is my channel. If you are watching this video, you must be present in this channel. Here is the playlist. I will update the playlist for all the labs and solutions.